Blutbart.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'm going to show you how to make a gruesome scene by taking apart your toys. I call this shot One Less Jedi. I'll also show you my editing process. After the recent release of the Black Series Bespin Duel 2-pack, I've found myself wishing that every toy with soft goods included wires. The dynamic posing you can get out of something as simple as a wired cape is mind-blowing. I began setting up my scene by unrolling this rocky terrarium mat in front of my background TV. Next, I posed and placed my Darth Vader toy on a small peg stand, cape blowing majestically in the non-existent wind. Lastly, I posed my defeated Jedi on the ground. It was actually a Greedo figure that I stuck a Jedi robe on and gave a borrowed lightsaber to. You can decapitate your figures like this by simply yanking on the head. If it's stuck on too tight, you can always dunk it in some warm water or hold it under a hairdryer to make it more pliable first. After adding a red spotlight and a reflector, I was ready to shoot. Here's my starting image. You'll notice my foreground is not in focus for this shot. That's because I took multiple exposures. I began my edit by manually focus stacking my exposures with layer masking. When I was happy with the blend, I added adjustment layers for levels and color balance. Next, I made some touch-ups with the healing brush tool. Following that, I used the pen tool to create a selection around my lightsaber blade, and the brush tool to fill it in. I added inner and outer glow with layer effects. After smoothing out the background, I did a bit of dodging and slightly extended the lightsaber blade. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and make sure to check me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time!